Hello everyone, welcome to this next video on previous year's questions from integral equation. This question is from June 2017 consisting of 4.75 marks. The question is, let yx be the solution of the integral equation. This is the given integral equation which is of Volterra kind, of second kind, right? Then the value of the function y at x is equal to square root of 2 is equal to which of these, right? So there are again, you can solve this by many various methods. I am solving this equation right now by converting this equation into the corresponding differential equation. So let us do that. This equation is given to be y of x is equal to x minus integration from 0 to x t square yt dt, right? So let us differentiate this equation with respect to x, right? So we would have y dash x is equal to 1 minus integration from 0 to x. Here we would have d dt, integration with respect to from 0 to x of xt square yt dt, right? So now how we can solve this? We have to apply the Leibniz rule for this term, right? What is that? To take the derivative of some integration, what we need to do? Firstly, we'll have to take the partial derivative of this term with respect to t, and then you'll take the derivative of the upper limit with respect to t and substitute the value of ut is equal to the upper limit and minus of the partial derivative of this lower limit with respect to t, multiplied that term by f of t at, where you'll replace this term u now with a of t, right? So this is the rule. You must remember this rule. This is very useful. So what is this? It would be y dash x is equal to 1 minus, so now the first term would be as it is integration from 0 to x, then the partial derivative with respect to x. Here we are differentiating with respect to x, mind that. So it is partial derivative with respect to x of the term x t square yt, right, into dt as such. Then we'll have plus of, here let me put the brackets because of this minus sign. So then I have to differentiate this upper limit, the x with respect to x, that would be 1 multiplied by this term where I'll replace this t by x. So I'll have x cube y of x, right, minus this term where I have to differentiate this lower limit with respect to t, that would give me simply 0, right? So it I would have y dash x, that would be equal to 1 minus integration from 0 to x, and what is the derivative of this term with respect to, partially with respect to x, that would be t square into y of t dt, right? And it would be minus x cube y of x, right? So now we must have the value of this, and we can obtain its value from the given differential equation. How? Let us see. So this was our equation, right? So in this equation, what I can do, I can take this term onto the left hand side, so I'll have, and I can take this x common out of this integration sign. Why? Because the integration is only dependent on t. We are taking it with respect to t, right? So this would be equal to x minus y of x. So the value of this term, which is same as this one, right? So it would be equal to 0 to t square yt dt, that would be 1 minus y of x by x. So let us use this value over here. So what do we get? Let me write this. So y dash x, that would be equal to 1 minus of 1 plus y of x by x minus x cube into y of x. So this 1 and 1 cancels, so this would give, y dash x is equal to, let me take this y of x common, so I'll be left with 1 upon x minus x cube, right? So I can take this term over here, so I'll have y dash x divided by y of x, that would be equal to 1 by x minus x cube. So let me integrate both sides. Here the limits of integration are from 0 to x, right, dx. So this would give us log of y of x, that would be equal to log of x minus x raised to power 4 by 4, limits are from 0 to x, plus some constant, say c, log of c, right? So this would be log of y of x, that would be equal to simply log of x minus x raised to power 4 by 4 plus log of c. So this would be log of y of x is equal to log of xc minus x raised to power by 4. So this would be log of y of x, and I can take this term to the left hand side, so it would be xc, that would be minus x power 4 by 4. So ultimately the solution y of x, that would be cx into e to the power minus x power 4 by 4, right? So this is the solution. Now they are asking the value of y at x is equal to square root 2. So y at square root 2, that would be c into square root 2 multiplied by then e to the power minus square root 2 raised to power 4 divided by 4. So square root 2 raised to power 4 would give me 4, right? So 4 divided by 4, that would be simply be e to the power minus 1, right? So if I take c to be 1, what is my solution? Or let me just simply say y at square root 2, that would be equal to c square root 2 divided by e. This is the solution. Let us look at our options. So this seems to the solution when c is equal to 1, right? So this option is the correct option. So the correct answer is option D. That's it for this video. Thank you for